First off, we have a tendency to, every time we do transformations, really, we have a tendency to sort of say, well, people don't like change. It's the people that don't want to change. And we sort of look at the employees and say, oh, they just don't want to. But that's not true, actually. I think people are not scared of change or don't want to change, but they're locked in the processes that we put them in organizations. They're locked in the organizational build and processes and governance that we design. And I think the biggest challenge with these kind of transformations is that typically it takes a long time for the organization to understand that it needs to change all of those structures and processes. I think for a long time, many companies and many leaderships think that, oh, you can just do that transformation down in the team. Go ahead, do that down in IT, implement agile, or you can just talk about customer journeys down in the teams. That's fine, go do that. And they don't realize that for this to be successful and for the whole culture to actually change, you need to look at the financial processes and the governance structures and the different boards that you have people go through whenever they have a new idea, or, you know, all of that needs to change as well. And then once they realize they have to change that, comes the next difficult part of how do you change that, and how should it then look like? What is really the new ways of working, in the new ways of governing, the new ways of financing, the new ways of bonus modeling, or you know, we're even talking about, instead of having personal reviews one-to-one, you have team reviews of employees where teams reviews each other's, and all of these different little pieces of processes that you need to change throughout the organization, from HR and down to IT processes about who has access rights to what. And, you know, it's through the entire DNA of the organization, which is, when you think about that, it becomes so overwhelming that I think a lot of people tend to just shut it down and go, no, you can just do it down in your teams. We don't need to change all the other stuff. And that's really the elephant in the room, I think.